Hey everybody, it's Dave again. We have a problem with the Hyundai Getz. We serviced it successfully yesterday. It worked. The service was great. We had a problem with one of the HT leads because of the spark plug. It decided that it was going to disintegrate itself. So I thought, a quick fix, we'll just put it back together, we'll push it on, we'll see if it runs. And of course, under idle, runs like a top, purrs like a kitten. Great little car. Take it down the road, get it under load, and cylinder 1 starts to misfire. So to that end, we have some HT leads to do. Okay, so this should just simply be a case of cable pops off, cable comes out the clip, cable pops off, and then the exact opposite to refit. So as you can see, it's kind of just flopping around a little bit, and if I reach into the engine bay, there's the guts of it. So we've got, that should be in there, and there lieth the problem. So let's get these changed out. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do this one at a time. I mean, I know the cables are match lengths, but I'm just going to do this one at a time so that we don't get anything wrong. We don't change any timing or anything like that. So. Okay, so in doing so, I've got all the new cables. I've held them all up at one length, and you can see they're all different lengths. So the longer one is going to be cylinder 1. So let's get that changed out, shall we? Okay, so we've got that on there. We'll give that a quick tug. That's not coming off, that's firmly connected. Give that one a quick tug. That's not coming off, that's firmly connected. So it's just a case of, let's do all three now. I'm not going to pretend like this is a fiddly job, but it's fiddly. These ones here, the actual distribution end, are they're quite tight. So yeah, it's awkward. Just keep persevering with it if you have to. There's a clip just here for the wiring loom. We can unclip that. Might give it a bit of extra space, but let's persevere.
A few minutes later.
There we go. Right then, so we've changed all the cables. I'll be honest, this one, cylinder 1, that was a bit fiddly. For some reason the plug didn't want to sit on the actual cylinder itself. But we're giving that a push. I felt it click, there was a very positive feeling to that, so that should be fine now. We've done the same thing on the rest of the cylinders. We've plugged all the cables back into the grips so they're not flopping around. These are a little bit awkward. This is the actual engine end. So we've given these a good push. I've felt the click, I've heard it, they're in. Let's start it up and see what it sounds like. There we go. Nice and smooth. Let's give it a little bit of throttle and see if it misfires. Well, I hope that was useful to someone. If you enjoyed that, remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I will put a link in the description to Rachel's TikTok. She made a video about this for some reason. So yeah, give her a follow, subscribe to the channel. In the meantime, I will see you in the next video.